this chic, classy look. This blouse is very comfortable. If you wanted to wear a cardigan or something on top of it, you don't have to worry about it getting too hot. But in the wintertime, it is also something that can keep you warm. If you don't want to opt for a purse with straps and you're looking for more so of a strapless look, then we are incorporating our 3-in-1 bag. This bag comes with a wristlet, and it also comes with a standard strap, but I took those straps off so that I can wear it as just a clutch. And depending on where you're going, you can incorporate heels, sneakers, loafers, whatever it is that you're looking to do, sandals. It's really up to you, but this is really what it means to buy pieces from New Era of Style and pair and wear them either together or with other items from your closet. If you're looking to incorporate any of the pieces that you've seen me wear today, our blouse, fedora, earrings, or one of these bags, you can check this and much more out on our online website at www.neweraofstyle.com. And until next time, you all take care. Bye.